Hey, you guys!
We're here today with professional snowboarder Janice Spiteri. Welcome back to the Braille House to progress.
Thank you. I'm so far enjoying my time just messing up this intro. I'm really loving it.
You're actually doing a pretty good job.
Thanks
Carlos,
for believing in me.
You're here to teach her how to do a brand new trick, an axle stall on the mini ramp.
Axle drop in or like the actual stall?
Axle stall and then roll back in. Wait, is that what we're doing?
Yeah. So we're gonna start off with like basic steps to show her what she's supposed to do, and then the idea is to get her riding away safely, you know, overall.
Yes, absolutely. Your safety is the #1 priority.
Okay.
So you were having some doubts. I can see it in your eyes right now. Literally, like she was all like, "Woo!" and now she's like, there's some hesitation. What exactly are you afraid of?
Well, last time I rode this mini ramp, I was trying to learn rock to fakies, and I rolled my ankle really bad and like couldn't walk for a week, and then it was still hurting for like a couple months. I'm heading up to Mount Hood to snowboard for the summer. I have a job up there in like 3 days. So I really don't want to do something that's gonna make walking and snowboarding difficult.
I have a counter.
Yes.
The first time you skated this mini ramp, Nigel and I were here.
Yes.
And you did it.
Yes.
Didn't get hurt. Second time you did it with Lance and Aaron, I was not here.
Lance and Aaron?
Yeah, that's when you got hurt. It was Lance and Aaron.
Oh, it was Lance trying to teach me?
Yeah, it was Lance and Aaron.
Yep. Oh, okay. I'm not afraid of this then. It was Lance trying to teach me.
Now you're back and you have me and Carlos and Nigel here.
Oh, yeah. Like I said, we're gonna learn off the board first. I'm gonna show you what your body's supposed to do. Once you understand that, we'll put the board under you, and then you just do the same thing. I guarantee you'll ride away safely. I'm gonna spy you for the first few times.
Well, I trust you because you know how to do this trick. And last time my teacher, I don't know if he knew how to do the trick he was teaching.
I don't know what happened that last video, but either way, you have a very certified instructor here today.
I think we never even made the video. That's what happened.
Yeah, because you freaking destroyed your ankle.
All right, cool. Let's do axle stalls.
So let's get it.
Let's go. Okay.
Stalls. Carlos, I'm going to hand this microphone over to you, my friend. Just be as loud and awkward and Carlos as you want. That's the start.
Wait. Camera pass. You need to see what he's filming on.
Oh, they know.
I'm trying to get sponsored by these guys.
This is literally the future of filming.
You are skating with pads now.
I am, yes.
Any reason why?
I won these pads, and so I had them, and I figured I'd start wearing them. Rewind, I wanted to start skating like bowls and pools and stuff. I figured it'd be good to like learn how to like slide out on my knees rather than having to run out of stuff. But I think just for like anything tranny related, I'd rather be safe.
Carlos could definitely teach you that, how to slide out.
Oh yeah, I know how to bail out.
I was at the Venice skate park and I was like looking in the bowls and I had these on and I'm like, I need to learn how to use them. And I was looking down like, okay, just drop your knees. Dude, I could not even get myself to just drop.
I mean, you had a knee injury, so I'd be like, that's the one thing I don't want to do, you know?
Well, remember when I slammed my knee when I hit that vert wall? If I had these on, that would have probably made things a little bit better. Safe.
No, we're going to be safer than sorry on this one, okay?
Is anyone going to make fun of me for wearing elbow pads?
Nobody's going to make fun of you for being safe, okay? If you feel like this is what you need to do to be comfortable on skateboarding, go ahead and do it. Doesn't matter what other people think. Skateboarding is your own individualism, okay? Like whatever you feel you want to do to be safe, do it. You got it.
Thanks, bud. Safety.
The most important part of any skateboarding video, eat first.
They're not paying me to eat these fries. Don't show their logo.
Burger King sponsor us.
Do I look like a cool kid from the 90s right now? Oh, he gave me a...
All right, so what you're going to do here, okay, is you want to learn how to drop in on it first. And realistically, all it is you're doing a kick turn on top of the ramp, but a half a kick turn. You go up to the coping, half kick turn, your front truck touches, you come back in. So what you're gonna do now is I want you to just place your trucks as if you're on a coping right now, okay? Now keep in mind, I'm gonna show you what you're supposed to do off the skateboard, okay? So put your board right there, come over here. So act like you're standing on your board, okay? The golden rule of skateboarding, keep your knees bent. That gives you all the balance you need, okay? If you stand up straight, you're not gonna have any balance going in. So always keep your knees bent, be as loose as possible. Most people think you need to wind up, just like a kick turn to do it. And then turn in. And if you do your shoulder here, you're gonna over rotate and you're gonna lose complete control. So keep in mind, all you need to do is reach your left hand forward. Like reach out, like you're bowing into it. And then from there, you feel your body pulling. This pulls you away from the coping, and then it turns into a drop-in. That's literally how it works. It's gonna be like this, okay? The steps are, go, lift up, now. And then you gotta put your arm down as soon as it goes. So you go out, and then put your arm down. Make sure your back shoulder's lifted up. So if I over-rotate, do that, it's a big mistake. When I go in, I'm gonna actually pivot out, and it's not gonna work. If I reach forward, say where that second line is, that little yellow. If I reach to that, pull. What happens is it pulls me away from the coping. Because the one thing you don't want to happen is you don't want this happening. If this happens, your back wheels go over the coping and you hang up. You don't want that to happen at all.
Carlos, I have a question for you.
Yes.
Why is one of your straps very long and the other one is very short?
Wait, oh, there you go.
Thank you.
I lost my train of thought, okay? Damn it, Gabe. When you reach forward, what you're actually doing is you're pulling your back leg away from the coping, and your front leg job is to stomp down just like a regular drop-in. See how like this happens right here on a regular drop-in? Gonna fill just like that. But you have to do it like this now. You reach, pull, drop in.
You waited too long.
I did, yeah. See, she saw that. That's good. We're going to do it slow, okay? You don't have to do it fast. You don't wind up. Go from square, reach towards me, lift up, drop in. See? Now, you see how your wheels went back? You need to really reach into it, okay? So the add-on is you're going to put your head into it. So when you reach, bow into it. And then that'll pull your body away from the coping. And it's your job to recreate the drop-in, okay? I want you to get used to that method right now. So right there, what you did wrong is you did it too early, okay? I'm going to take over. I'm going to tell you when to do it, okay? So you pull forward. Now. See?
Oh, it's much better.
So right there, you're still doing something just slightly off. I said now, but you know you can reach even farther. If you wait just a little bit longer, that's the safety spot, okay? Ready? Not yet. Step 1, 2, now. See? I'm not going to take over your front arm anymore, okay? You're going to have to do that yourself. So reach, lift up, go. But I'm going to spot your back arm,
You're going to
okay?
hold my back arm.
Yes. Just in case anything goes wrong, I'll catch you, okay? Just so you know, it's actually easier on a quarter pipe. Reach, pick up. There you go. Now I want you to reach farther, okay? When you reach, really reach out there, okay? Really reach out. You're actually you did it perfect, okay? And you know how you're doing it perfect? You're not on the ground. You're safe, okay? But we can make it cleaner. So really reach. Okay, my hand's right here. Reach for this hand. Then do it. Reach, pull. There you go. See? Now I'm going to spot you a little bit less. I'm going to be next to you just in case. This is the hand. Reach. See? There you go. You have everything you need. You have the balance. You just got to have the confidence. I'm not saying you're lacking it. I just know it's very scary because it's brand new to you, okay?
Yeah.
It's fine. You used to being strapped in on a snowboard, right? Yeah. This is where the board can leave you at any time, like possible. I've been doing this for about 20 years. I get scared all the time. It's perfectly normal. Skateboarding, it's always going to be fear, okay? Treat it like a roller coaster. Make sure it's like exhilarating. So same thing, okay? Pull. There you go. Perfect. So what we're going to do now is we're going to take that quarter pipe, put it in front of that box so we can get some light, and then we'll get her to do it on that, okay?
Hey, Dan.
Hey guys, are you following me on Instagram yet? If you're not, at Janice Spiteri.
Cut that out.
I'm kidding.
Keep in mind, okay, tell yourself, this is what it's going to feel like when I go for that axle stall. Don't use your eyes. Feel it out, okay? Okay, that's what Braille means. You feel skateboarding. You don't use your eyes. They're the
Oh,
biggest
that's
distraction.
what Braille means?
Yeah.
Wow,
If you
today
use
I learned.
If you use your eyes, you're going to get distracted. You're going to cause a lot of fear, and it's going to make you not do anything. It's going to make you hesitate. So same thing. 1, 2, 3. Okay? And you know what? The axle stall is, you're going to go in with less speed. Let me know when you're comfortable, then we'll start doing it, okay? See? Just know, when you come in, that's what it's going to feel like, okay? Yeah, I don't even think she needs to learn how to ride up and do the axle stall. I just feel like for your safety and what you're capable of, let's just do the axle drop-in, okay? The axle stall itself, getting up to it, it's a whole nother lesson, okay? So let's just get this done, okay? Try this real quick.
Do you want me to step on this?
Yes. Now, what I want you to do, okay? Treat it like a regular drop-in, okay? This is the first step, okay?
Oh my gosh.
Good?
Okay,
I got you,
hold
I got
on.
you. 1, 2, 3.
Oh my god, I almost died.
Nope, you didn't.
Look, my foot almost slid off the front.
It's okay, that's why I'm spotting you. I got you, okay? I know you're scared, but you literally rode away from that. Treat it like a regular drop-in. But now, what you have to add in is that reach. To make this work, you have to reach your front arm out, okay? Reach, drop in. See?
Wow.
You have a different approach, but you still end up where you need to be.
Yeah, there's no way I could have done that without holding your hands though.
No, it's okay. Now, even though it scared you, you still rode away safely. So let's do a couple more, okay? It's funny, she goes like 30 miles an hour on a snowboard, and she's scared to do this. It's amazing. Reach towards my hand. 1, 2. See?
I was like reaching forward and I was like, wait, he's not gonna hold me, so I like grabbed onto you.
That's good that you did that, because that right there made you push it away from the coping, okay? You did exactly what you're supposed to do. That's why I have my hand gapped out. Just do it a couple more. I want you to get used to it, okay? Just so you know, this is the scary one, by the way.
Like dropping in like this.
I'm showing you the harder one first.
Yeah, what you're actually gonna be doing is like 5 times easier than this.
1, 2, 3. See? See, have confidence. You're safe every single time. Yes.
You guys, if you could hear my heartbeat right now.
That's why we do it, though. It's for the adrenaline rush, the excitement, exhilaration.
It's not excitement, it's fear.
It's always going to be that. Take the fear and treat it like a roller coaster to where it's exhilarating. But you haven't fallen yet, so what are you afraid of? Now you know the consistency of it, just build confidence. 1, 2, 3. I wouldn't make you do it if I didn't believe that you can do it. Okay?
I know, but then I had to clutch your shoulder.
It's fine, but realistically, you did it by yourself. You did it so much on your upper body, I didn't feel anything. So if you wanted to do it by yourself, you can. Drop in. Okay?
There you go.
Let's do the easy way now.
So foot placement. Cover all 4 screws with your foot, okay, and then cup your toes down right here.
Wait, am I actually doing this right now?
We're gonna spot it, okay?
Can I put my weight on you
Yes.
like that? Okay.
Now, make sure that your head is in front of your knees at all times. 1, reach, pick up, drop it.
Oh, I almost manual down.
No, just from there, okay? See what you did? Just
I didn't drop in.
Yes, exactly, okay? It was less effort. You literally just right there, just drop in.
Yeah. You know, it's a lot easier to just
Look,
sit home and watch YouTube videos.
Let's put it this way. You just have to land it once, and it's up to you if you want to do it again, okay? I'm going to let you know when to do it, okay? Look, bend your knees more. Put your head in front of your knees. So not yet, not yet. Lift up, drop it. See? We're going to not talk for a couple minutes. I want you to do a frenzy. Just keep going for it, okay? Right here, now lift. Okay, I'm going to loosen up, okay? If anything goes wrong, I'll catch you. But now do the movements. See right there? You need to reach out farther, okay? Reach, lift, drop it. Right there, perfect. Start understanding that you can do this, okay? You got this all day. Reach. Perfect.
There you go.
You know you're ready for it. I know that you want me next to you, but that one right there, let me show you how it felt. Give me your hands.
That was all you.
Felt like that. I didn't even spot you. I was there to catch you just in case you fell. That's how I know you're completely ready, okay? You're almost there. You have a little bit of grip, but you're literally right around the corner, okay? So get up here again. I'm gonna hold you a little bit less, okay? Lift up, pull forward.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
We're gonna do one hand, okay? Just reach towards me really far, okay? This is where your target is.
Oh my God.
See? I gave you everything you have to get the trick done. You know what your body's supposed to do. I'm here to spot you. Just count to 3 and just keep doing it over and over again until it feels comfortable, okay? How about this? Lift, drop. That's it. That's literally all you gotta do. You got it. I gave you every lesson on this so far. There's nothing more I could teach you other than you have confidence in yourself and get it done. I think I have one thing to do to make this happen, okay? So let's do this one more time with me spotting you. And then I'm gonna make you do that after. So I'm gonna fully spot you here. Ready? Bend your knees. Drop it. Okay? Shut your mind off. Let's go over to the big one right now. It's gonna feel the same, I promise you. I'm gonna spot you, okay? I got you. Same thing, okay? 1, 2, lift. See? How was that?
It was okay.
Not that bad, right? Told you it wasn't that bad. You were freaking out about this all day. I was like, that one's actually a little bit harder.
Oh, that was so good.
You have your confidence build up now. Let's just get this done, okay? Yep. See? There you go. Just do it a couple more times spotting. And keep in mind, I'm next to you, okay? This whole thing, even if you do it by yourself, I'll be right next to you, okay? Just act like I'm not there, okay? Falling's not an option.
It's so hard to act like you're not there.
Oh, I can
You
tell
know,
by-
no, it's just that your presence just, it's hard to ignore, you know?
I appreciate that. See right there?
That was all you,
There you
Janine.
go. That was all you. Yeah. You feel like confident enough? Let's get this done now, okay? You got it. You're ready.
Okay.
Pick up. See? That's all you.
I still grabbed him though.
You literally did every single try without falling so far. See? That's what it's going to feel like.
You know you almost fell right there because you tried to grab for Carlos?
Let me show you what happened, okay? I was trying to step back. You were going in to reach for what I taught you. And then as you're going down, you went like that.
Yeah, because I wanted to grab you.
Don't grab me. You don't need to grab me anymore. If you want to reach for me down here.
I don't like when you're that far away.
Just do it. Go. okay? My hand's right here, okay? This is what you gotta reach for. Reach. See?
So even if you're that far away, if I'm gonna fall, you'll still catch me?
Exactly. 3. See?
There you go.
There you go, see? That one was a little off, yeah, I felt that.
Yeah, I think I like stood up thinking I had it before I had finished
That's
it.
celebrating too early.
Yeah.
Aim your left hand to this direction. Oh my God, Nigel. 2, go. Yes! That was basically it, okay? Now, you got it right there, okay? So don't think anymore. Get up there, right now. Don't think anymore. 1, 2, 3. Oh, she did it!
There you go.
Yay! That's scary.
We'll do it again.
Same thing. You got it perfectly, okay? I can always jump forward to catch you if I see anything go wrong. 2, 3. Oh, see? Okay, we'll stop there. You okay?
He didn't catch me.
How was that photo?
I should have kept my elbow pads on, that's for sure. I did, yeah. I like slid and then I didn't think my timing was right and I like, it was too
So do you see now why it's better to actually go for the trick as opposed to hesitating? Do you want to stop there? I think because she did land it. I don't want her to get hurt because she has a very important shoot. So yeah, we'll stop it there.
My
okay?
ankle's kind of hurt right now.
Okay. You okay with that overall? You
Yeah.
good? Nothing else hurt?
I'm okay.
Okay, well, we'll call it there. Okay?
I'm
you
good.
did do a legit one, okay?
All right. You should definitely go follow Janice on Instagram. Check out her YouTube channel. Those links will be in the description below. Janice, you did a very good job. I know you were extremely afraid of this video.
I'm a little traumatized right now.
And you're traumatized now because you fell. But it was a valiant
one
effort.
fall in an entire hour, okay? So don't feel bad. Just understand falling is inevitable. It's going to happen every now and then.
Yeah.
You snowboard, you understand that.
Yeah.
So you did a great job today. I'm glad you actually rode away from it legitly by
Thanks.
yourself once. So
I
that's
kind of
good.
got it. Well, and I feel like where I'm going for the summer, there's a lot smaller ramps. And so I feel like when I'm down to like a little quarter that's like not as steep, like maybe it'll be easier for me on that now that I've like gotten the feeling of this.
Well, even that, just start off on steep banks first, okay? Once you feel comfortable, then you take it to quarter pipes, right? But
Exactly.
Everything that I taught you is the secret to the trick. Not on a ramp, okay? I taught you how the trick works. So you just practice that, apply it to any quality. Practice that, apply it to anything. You'll understand that a lot of things you're going to make adjustments for. It's skateboarding. But you did a great job today. I'm very proud of you.
So if you guys want to do this, literally follow each step of the video, step by step, and you should be able to do it yourself. There's some videos to my left. Go ahead and check them out. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and we'll see you tomorrow. A big thanks to Janice for coming out and filming with us today.
I'm a teacher.
Yes.